All right. So, Ridhima, welcome to Bollywood Life.
Thank you so much, Imran. Thank you so much.
How are you liking the new way of getting interviewed online over Skype?
I think it's really cool, yeah. It's at the comfort of my place and just got ready. I know I got delayed also, but you were so patient, so that's very sweet of you. So I've really enjoyed
Thank
this
you
whole
so much.
experience.
All right. Tell me, 21 days are over for the lockdown. 18 more days. How's it been for you so far?
When honestly, बीच बीच में phases आए थे जब initially ये lockdown announce किया गया था. That time I was like, yes, of course we have to do it. We have to get the curve straightened up and everything. Um, पहले बहुत ज़्यादा motivation थी. फिर बीच में ऐसा लगा यार when will I get my life back? And इतनी uncertainty थी कि अभी ये lockdown और extend होगा कि नहीं. And of course it has extended. It's the need of the hour. It's very very important.
Mhm.
So ये सब चीज़ों की वजह से I've had a mixed emotions वाला bag जिसे कहते हैं. Uh, but overall, I'm spending my time. I'm trying to be as productive as I can. Obviously, when I'm not shooting, I do feel like I'm not doing enough or whatever. But so many people, everyone's at home, so I'm
Right.
making the most of it by spending time with my family. I'm learning new dishes to cook. I'm exercising. I'm going to take up some online course. So these are the things which are
Right.
helping me be busy.
So, but being a TV actor and being in such a busy business right now, are you missing the set? Are you calm? Like, okay, fine, I can sit back and relax all the time.
No, I'm definitely missing my set. Yeah, I'm missing that chehel pehel, that hustle bustle. When you get on set, you're greeted by so many people. Everyone is so like happy. I mean, you take it for granted when you're working every day. Na, there are times where you walk out of the car in a very bad mood. You're like, the traffic was so terrible. I'm late for my shoot, and
Hmm.
if somebody's saying hello, you just say hi, okay. I'm never gonna
Okay.
take that for granted again. I'm just gonna go with a happy, smiling face because you don't get to work in situations like these, and
You're right.
work is so important.
Okay. So I've heard like tell me, have you been in touch with the Khatri Khiladi contestants? Like you've been in touch? How
Yes,
are they
I
finding their
I see Shamita doing a lot of fun TikToks.
okay.
Shamita is enjoying her TikToks. Bharti, is a dog lover, animal lover. So am I. So I see her putting up posts which are asking for help. Um, we've spoken about it. Like, it's great to donate to a cause like that. So Bharti and Harsh are also doing some show from their place. And what else then? Um, Aditya recently shared some video that he's come up with. So yeah, a little bit. I'm in touch via Instagram, etc.
Okay, so हमारी बहू रजनीकांत it's बहू हमारी रजनीकांत
Yeah.
has been retelecast. I
Yeah,
saw the
I
episodes.
know.
I saw 2 or 3 episodes. I liked it. I loved it. Something unique that I saw.
Thank you so much. But you
How
missed
was the
out in the
response?
middle. That is what launched my career for me. I think it was the best show ever, even as a viewer. कहो या मैं तो बोलती हूँ I thank God for giving me a role like that, where I could, uh, display whatever I had in me, So I'm very, very thankful for that.
It reminded me of Karishma when we were small. When we used to watch. I saw that again. I got all the feelings back. I'm like, wow, this is something good that I'm watching.
Yeah, no, best ever, ever.
All right. Okay, I have some important questions for you. Okay. So on social media, I occasionally get questions like, "What a celebrity doing this time?" Okay. So
Right.
I prepared some questions for you.
Shall we?
Okay. So I'll shoot the first question. Okay. Since we all are indoor, what shows are you currently binge watching and recommend your fans to watch?
All right, so I'm watching a show called Fargo on
Netflix.
Netflix. Then on Amazon Prime, I've finished Fleabag and Modern Love, and I've been watching some very old movies, जैसे कि गोलमाल आ रहा है. ये सारी, मैं it's actually way of studying for me because I like to hone my कॉमिक एक्टिंग स्किल्स एक्सेट्रा. सो मैं पुरानी मूवीज बहुत देख रही हूँ जो हम बचपन में ऐसे केबल पर देखा करते थे विदाउट एनी ब्रेक्स. अब तो इतने ब्रेक्स आते हैं कि हम देख ही नहीं पाते. सो मूवीज the ones which I missed out. And if anyone can tell me where is Man Marzi, I want to watch it. I can't find it online.
One Marzia is not online.
It's not shit. Yeah, I missed it in the theater. So yeah, Money Heist, of course. Yeah, all these things. Please go watch it and watch This Is Us if you're a very, very emotional person. But I'm
I
warning
do
you.
watch Members. Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a very sweet love story.
मुझे देखनी है.
Okay, cool. Okay, so the next question that I have for you is like, tell me which is your favorite and least favorite activity at home?
Pocha marna is my least favorite activity, but it is so essential that I do it. And definitely, I don't look even half of what I'm looking right now when I'm marring pocha. You can easily, uh, forget about that persona. I hate pocha marna and bartan dhona. The first thing I'm going to do is install a dishwasher now, next, when this lockdown is over. And my favorite would be to do a lot of dusting, ऊपर ऊपर का ऐसे fancy काम. और
Okay.
कुकिंग में बहुत मजा आ रहा है यार मुझे.
All right. Okay. So, tell me any hidden talent that you discovered while sitting at home. कि हाँ मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ.
I don't know. Hidden talent is कि मैं एक बुक पढ़ सकती हूँ सोए बिना. क्योंकि पहले मेरे को एक प्रॉब्लम था, मैं जैसे ही बुक खोलती थी मुझे इतनी नींद आती थी, आई वुड स्ट्रेट पास आउट, लाइक दैट वुड बी माय पेस टू गो इफ आई वांट टू स्लीप. बट नाउ एक्सेस स्लीप हो चुकी है हमारे बॉडी में, हमें बहुत अच्छा आराम मिल चुका है बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस. सो अभी हम बुक्स खोलते हैं और हम बहुत सारे पेजेस, आधी बुक खत्म कर लेते हैं, बट स्टिल नॉट स्लीपिंग. सो आई थिंक मैंने एक नया टैलेंट डिस्कवर किया है खुद में.
Oh,
बट
wow,
जोक्स
that's amazing.
असाइड, I think I'm really wanting to explore singing, so I'm going to work on that.
Are you seriously gonna work like on singing?
Yes,
Can you
I
sing
have.
one or two lines for us?
Oh God, kaun sa?
I got you there.
No, I can't sing. I'm just trying to think which song. Um, Tell
Do
me
you
a
want
happy
to come
song.
back? In the end, we'll sing.
Yes, we'll sing. Okay, done.
Paka, then you sing.
Happy song. I want to sing happy song.
Okay, cool.
Done.
So tell me three people that are on your speed dial for video chat.
So my friend Karishma, she's always been my go-to person since forever. So on my speed dial, I have Karishma, I have my sister, and I'm really missing my sister a lot. God, I'm getting homesick. Wala feel hai. And my friend Mikhail.
All right. Okay. Snack that you keep munching on to time pass. Actually.
Everything I keep munching on. I'm only eating, and I'm not finding my favorite chocolate, which is that Ferrero Rocher. I just cannot find it anywhere. I've gobbled it down, and I'm gaining weight. This dress, I only know how I fit into it. In between, in fact, I have to clear this. There was one article that came out. It was misconstrued so bad when I said it was the first day of the lockdown, and I jokingly said that I'm pretty sure I've gained 1 kg in these 24 hours. And whoever that nasty journalist was, he just took that particular snippet and he made a headline that said Ridhima Pandit is worried about gaining 1 kg. It sounded so frivolous, and my family is sending me that article ka link, and they're like, you said this? I said, yes, I said it, but I said it in a very light manner that, guys, it's okay even if you're eating too much. Now is the time to focus on bigger things. So it's okay if you gain weight, you'll get back to it when you can. But anyway, it was misconstrued. So Jane do Baba, I'm not saying anything. I'm eating a lot. That's all if you want to know.
Okay, not a problem. Okay, so what are you doing to keep yourself fit? What are the exercises you're doing, and you recommend your fans to do? Three exercises.
Three exercises. Well, I recently uploaded a video which shows different kinds of planks. So I think that should help the cause for a lot of them. And so planking, at the same time, I do a lot of functional. So you can do those mountain climbers, jumping jacks. It gets your heart rate high. Rest, my knowledge isn't that great when it comes to fitness, but whatever my trainer has taught me in the past, I'm just putting it to use. And download some nice app when it comes to yoga, so you can do the stretching and everything. So it should be of great help.
That's a good advice. Okay, so what are you doing to keep yourself pretty and beautiful while at home? Any beauty regime that you're following, and you recommend your fans to follow that?
Well, honestly, now is the time to try out all those DIY masks. Just घर में बैठो, कभी हल्दी मिलाओ, कभी टमाटर मिलाओ, कभी honey मिलाओ. Try it out. Do something to your hair. I've been oiling my hair. और अब मुझे ना मेरी पार्लर दीदी की बहुत याद आ रही है, because when I used to oil my hair, I would never wash it at home. I would go to the salon and pamper myself. Now all that cannot happen, guys. Reality has hit us. So take care of yourselves, and looking good is a very, very important part of the job, the profession that I am in. So I got to do that for myself, and there's no harm if you all try that out as well. So
Okay.
DIY masks and all.
All right. So all jokes apart, I wanted to give a shout out to people. You know, since we are living in such horrible time, or you can say such difficult time, people are still not understanding, and they're going out of the house. But when celebrities like you talk, people try to listen to you, they understand, or at least they'll hear you, right? I want you to give a shout out and ask them, be safe and keep your family safe. Can you do that?
Yeah, I would, really like to say one thing. आज मैं एक एक्टर के तौर पे नहीं, मैं इंसान के तौर पे आप सबको बोल रही हूँ कि हम सब इतनी डिफिकल्ट टाइम से जूझ रहे हैं, समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या होने वाला है, फ्यूचर क्या है, फिलहाल क्या हो रहा है, बहुत अनसर्टनिटी है, बहुत कहीं डर भी है, बट हम सब इसमें साथ में हैं, ये बात हमें हौसला देने लायक बात है, एंड आई वुड जस्ट रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल कि आप सब लोग इस कर्व को फ्लैटन करने के लिए घर पर रहिए. Be patient. I'm sure the whole world is working on it. We will come out of this stronger and we will defeat this. But it's just going to take some time and cooperation. और सबके लिए आप सबको घर पे रहना है. So stay home, stay safe. Be with your loved ones.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna ask you this question. Tell me, what about Bahu Hamari Rajnikant season 2? Anything happening there?
How I wish it is coming यार, but it's not in my hands. मुझे सब लोग ये सवाल पूछते हैं, बहू हमारी रजनीकांत का दूसरा सीजन कब आएगा, और मैं खुद भी चाहती हूँ कि आए, बिकॉज वो रोल मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है. आज मैं जो कुछ भी हूँ उस रोल की वजह से मुझे रिकग्निशन मिली है, but unfortunately it's not my hands, it's the makers who made it, and I really hope they're listening to this. And guys, I really would suggest one thing. If you really want it, why don't you start with some petition or something, let us all sign it and give it to the channel and the makers and let it happen.
That's a good idea. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's ask fans to do that. Come on, do that for me. I'll post it on the social media.
पक्का
पक्का done.
चलो दोस्तों, एक पेटिशन बनाते हैं कि बहू हमारी रजनीकांत का दूसरा सीजन लेकर आते हैं. लेट्स जस्ट, I want to be Rajni again. I would love to be Rajni again.
Oh, that's amazing.
Okay, okay, come on, accepted.
Okay, so tell me, what is immediately that you're gonna do after the lockdown is over? Anything is in the pipeline? Where are we staying?
Well, the first thing that I'm going to do once this lockdown is over is I am going to take my mother to her temple visit, which she's missing terribly because she goes there once every week. Not sounding preachy, but it's really made her sad. उनकी आज़ादी completely block हो चुकी है. The second place that I'm going to go is the beauty parlor, the salon. Us women, we're missing it terribly. We love you, our parlor didis. As frivolous as this sounds, this is the reality. We girls are missing our salon visits. So yes, definitely I'll go to the salon.
All right. And what about how the projects? What are the future projects that we're gonna see you in?
Well, see, fortunately or unfortunately for me, my show had just gotten over like a couple of months ago. Corona destroyed our lives, put it on a standstill. So I got out of it and I just started working on my fitness, and I was waiting to be ready for any project that was going to come my way. So, well, right now I don't really have anything that I can talk about, which I'm allowed to talk about ideally. But yes, definitely I'll be exploring the web space as of now. My next project is currently in the web zone.
All right, that's that. I want to ask you about Khatro Ke Khiladi also. I forgot to ask that question. How was that experience? How was that thing? That should be my first question, right? But I forgot to ask.
यार it was life changing. What can I say? और मेरे साथ तो पता नहीं वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था, because I think I was this one contestant that reached all the elimination rounds. Okay, from the beginning till the end. पता नहीं कैसे मैं हर इसमें elimination में पहुंच ही जाती थी, और elimination में मुझे कुछ हो जाता था, and I used to win by a few seconds, and I would do that elimination stunt, and there were times where I lost out by 3 seconds on elimination stunt के time पे, but somebody got disqualified, somebody left willingly, etc. So my luck was also high, but they always say that luck isn't enough. After all, I've only done my stunts, so that means I have put in a lot of effort there. Yeah, I can't imagine right now also when I see a lizard, I still go like, what?
Okay.
उस वक्त पता नहीं, आज था ऐसे होता था, हम आते थे सेट पे और वहाँ होगा lizards, cockroaches, snakes, ठीक है, फिर snakes दिखते थे 5 मिनट ऐसे होता था, नहीं 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 नहीं, और फिर हम पे डालते थे तो हम रोते थे, लेकिन जैसे वो स्टंट खत्म होता था ना, हम ओके, I I did it, you know. खुद के लिए रिस्पेक्ट बढ़ जाती है. बट मैं अगर एक सच बात बोलूं तो मुझे सांप का फोबिया था. ओके, मैंने
Okay.
पूरे सीजन में सबसे लास्ट किया था स्नेक का स्टंट. एंड दैट इज बिकॉज माय प्रेयर्स वर आंसर्ड. मुझे सबसे पर मिला जरूर. सबसे जो क्रीचर ने मुझे परेशान किया है वो थे कॉकरोचेस. दे स्टिंक, दे बाइट यू, and they're horrendous. They're this big, and but snakes were actually so lovely. They were so docile. They did nothing. All they do is they move around, and all you can hear is that. So I said, "हाँ, ठीक है, ये अच्छा है. You know, I can deal with the snakes." So
Okay.
yeah, that was and all the other physical stunts. You know, the water stunts were actually very difficult because it was so cold out there to you know, prepare your mind at 12 a.m. They used to sometimes do our water stunts, and we're up since like 7. Our schedules were very rigorous out there. So yeah, and so much team effort, na, to maza aa gaya wahan pe bahut.
Okay. But I heard something about Ekta Kapoor's Hawaii also. Are you involved with that project?
No, I'm not. How I
No?
wish I was, but I would love to be a part of every project of Ekta's. Whatever she touches
Okay.
turns into gold. So I would love to, but no, I don't think so. Not that one.
No, because I read it somewhere that Ekta Kapoor's Havan, I guess. Havan?
Okay, you're talking about Hevan. Yes, Hevan.
Yes.
That is the show that just got done. I was shooting for it just before coronavirus got over. That was like a limited series, and it
Okay.
was a show which was based on sci-fi. You know, the
Yeah.
basic gist of it was in that
All
show.
right.
So I played a
Okay.
cop in
So
it.
thank you. All right. So, but thank you so much for chatting with me. It was amazing chatting with you. Thank you so much for giving all the beauty regimes and exercises for our fans to watch too. Great talking to you. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Same here. Thank you so much for your time, Imran.
I'll connect with you soon. We'll see in person and we'll do the interview properly. Yeah,
Yes, please do.
for sure. And
We shall
bring
meet after this
the
is over.
Rajnikant back. Over my Rajnikant back. Let's start the petition for sure.
Petition. All right.
Right. Thank you so
Bye.
much.
See
Yeah.
you. Thank you. Thank you.